In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Smart Compose in Google Docs. Smart Compose is a built-in feature that helps you write faster and more easily by suggesting words or phrases as you type. Think of it as a smart writing assistant that finishes your sentences based on common patterns and context. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open Google Docs. You can do this by going to your browser, signing into your Google account if you're not already signed in, and then opening Google Docs from the Apps menu or by going directly to the Docs homepage. Once you're there, either open an existing document or create a new blank one, depending on what you're working on. With your document open, place your cursor where you want to start writing and begin typing as you normally would. Smart Compose works in real time, so there's nothing special you need to enable in the moment if it's already turned on for your account. As you type, Google Docs will analyze what you're writing and try to predict what you might want to say next. After you've typed a few words, you'll start to notice suggestions appear in light gray text directly in line with what you're writing. These suggestions might be a single word, a short phrase, or sometimes even the rest of a sentence. They're based on common phrases and patterns, as well as the context of the words you've already typed. When you see a suggestion that looks helpful and you want to use it, all you need to do is press the Tab key on your keyboard. As soon as you press Tab, the gray suggestion will turn into normal text and become part of your document. This can save you time, especially when you're writing repetitive content, standard phrases, or common expressions you use a lot. If the suggestion doesn't quite match what you had in mind, simply ignore it and keep typing. The gray text will disappear as you continue writing your own words. You don't need to press any special key to dismiss it. Just keep going, and Smart Compose will keep adjusting and offering new suggestions based on what you actually type. A helpful tip is to keep an eye on the end of the sentence you're writing. Often, Smart Compose is most useful when you're wrapping up a thought, like finishing a greeting, closing a message, or completing a common sentence structure. Over time, you'll get used to glancing at the grey text without breaking your flow. Another thing to remember is that accepting suggestions is completely optional. You stay in full control of your writing. Use Tab to accept suggestions that truly help you and ignore the rest. The more you write, the more natural it will feel to let Smart Compose handle those predictable, routine parts of your sentences so you can focus your attention on the ideas that matter most. And that's really all there is to it. Open Google Docs, start typing in your document, and when a suggestion appears in grey, press Tab to accept it. With just those simple actions, you can make your writing process smoother, faster, and a little easier every time you sit down to work.